Dude called the cops on us while we're getting the car out. We're on our way to recover a vehicle from my buddy's girlfriend that apparently a couple days ago slid off the road. I'm not entirely sure. Something about the car in front of her stopped, she had to stop, then she got hit by a semi, and now I'm hearing it's in a ditch. I don't know. So, not entirely sure what we're getting ourselves into, but he's got a winch on his, and I've got tow straps and ratchet straps, and we're gonna see what we can do. Apparently we're meeting his dad out there too, so I don't know. I'll give you an update once we get out there. It was supposed to quit raining. That's why we waited until 2:30 instead of going immediately after church. It hasn't quit. So we found it. It's yeah. That's a little steep right there. The worst part is you get a blind curve there and a blind curve there. This is gonna suck. Crap. She don't want us in the grass. Well, that'll put it in the grass. She don't want it in the grass, but it's in the grass.
It makes no sense.
Oh my goodness.
It's more dangerous getting it up on the road.
It is more dangerous getting it here. I got it. Pull sideways right behind my truck, and we'll just winch it straight back.
That's what I'm wondering. Once we get up here closer, we'll have to go that way because it's water making.
I think. Yeah. We could winch it right here. Right in between the mailbox and the water meter.
She just didn't want the trucks in the yard.
Okay, that's cool.
I told her we were going to try to back it along the edge of the road there. I said she was on the road, the tractor trailer hit her, and knocked her off the road. She said, yeah. She said after watched him for a couple hours the other day trying to get out.
Yeah, he was right over here parked.
Yeah. All right. Well, now we have it on video what happened. We can try to do it here, but I'm just worried how sloped it is. That's a lot flatter right there.
You wanted it on your Jeep.
No, I don't want it on the Jeep.
Then why'd you buy it?
I didn't. Granddad did.
Oh.
Steering, giving it neutral and all that. Hey, don't stand close to the rope, but you can stand up there and video.
Can I just like step over the rope for now? All right. Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. He said that person needs to get in. Okay.
Dude called the cops on us while we're getting the car out. What in the world? We were sitting here pulling it out. A car had their turn signal on, trying to get in as we got a winch line running across. And I'm like, what are we gonna do? Can't do nothing. So then the cop flips on his lights as I'm taking off. Whatever. People. Car's in his yard, but hey, I'm gonna call the cops because you're getting it out. All right, so we pulled off at the very next driveway in the first neighborhood. Apparently one of them here helped her and she wanted to give him a thank you card. Cop pulled up behind us in a minute and said, what'd he call me for? And we're like, we don't know. Why'd he call you? We weren't there 15 minutes. The total time, 15 minutes. In and out. It was an easy recovery.
Oh, so the guy actually...
The guy actually called the police on us for blocking his driveway.
He's a cousin.
Did he say y'all could do it, or is it just you don't want to have to dance?
Jeff, well, I mean, you got a broken down vehicle. Jeff went up, Jeff's my buddy. Jeff went up and asked, talked to this guy's wife and said, hey, you know, we're gonna get my girlfriend's car out. And she said, that's fine, just don't put the trucks in the driveway. All right, fine. You know.
You mean
In the yard.
I mean, so yes, don't put the trucks in the yard. So it would be hard if we couldn't put them in the driveway. So we didn't. We used his winch and winched it, and literally as I'm sitting there hooked up and he's videoing, I look to my left and there's a car with their turn signal on trying to come in. Sorry, there's a 16,000 pound winch cable hooked up to a car pulling it out of a ditch. You can wait, drive around. My gosh, people. But it's good. There's a couple pieces off the front of the car. We're driving it really slow. Jeff's dad is driving it. Her nerves are shot from getting the police called, but it was one of her friends. So we're like, hey, how you doing?
Oh, her friend was the cop?
The cop was one of her friends.
Oh, wow.
But her front left wheel, it's all squished up. So she's gonna have to have an alignment, take it in, do an insurance claim and all that, yeah. But we're just driving back slowly. The cop asked us, do y'all live here? No. But she was on her way home from work in all the ice and got stuck and then got hit by a semi.